We'll guide you through how to resolve issues with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. Sometimes, simply refreshing the page can solve minor glitches. So go ahead and try that first. If the problem persists, clear your browser's cache and CO keys, as stored data can occasionally cause conflicts. To do this in most browsers, click on the three dots at the top right corner, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. After clearing, close the browser and reopen it. Then log back into ChatGPT. If you're experiencing issues with responses not loading or errors popping up, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. You can also try accessing ChatGPT in an incognito window, which prevents extensions from interfering. If none of these steps work, there might be an issue on ChatGPT's end. So visit their status page to check for any ongoing outages. If everything seems fine there and you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to ChatGPT support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.